called up here to assist Terre Haute City. They were in the process of on another call, 22nd Prairie Street, and they located a Cody Tryon, who was wanted on a felony warrant. They took him into custody, put him in the squad car, of course restrained and handcuffed. At some point, he wound up getting through the barrier in the squad car and drove off in the police car and wound up coming up here. And that's when we got involved with this in Terre Haute City. He tried to back into a city squad car. Subsequently, Tryon was arrested after a brief altercation, and he was taken to the Tribune County Jail. So right now what we're doing is he did go into this house. The owner of this